Hello, today I am presenting our work on the effect of pre-training on extractive summarization for scientific documents. This work is in collaboration with Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, International Institute of Information Technology, Hyderabad, Verisk Analytics, and University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill. Extractive summarization aims at selecting the salient sentences in the given input document. Here, we investigate the influence of pre-training on a BERT-based extractive summarization system for scientific documents. We use a BERT-based extractive summarization model on scientific articles. We primarily investigate the influence of intermediate pre-training using existing summarization tasks across these three criteria: the domain of the intermediate pre-training corpus, the size of the corpus, and the input length of the corpus. Let's start with some datasets generally used in the field of extractive summarization. CNN Daily Mail consists of news articles and highlights from CNN and Daily Mail. It is a widely used dataset for summarization. SkyTLDR is a relatively new dataset in scientific domain. It contains computer science articles with each article having one or more than references but one sentence summaries. We consider variations of the dataset with abstract only and the abstract, introduction and conclusion sections of the articles. Finally, we have the PubMed dataset, which contains scientific articles from PubMed.org. We use the introduction of the papers as the article and abstract as a summary. Here, we introduce our basic architecture for the task. We use BERTSUM architecture, first introduced in EMNLP 2019. This introduces a BERT-based architecture for summarization. Here, BERT is used for getting the sentence embeddings, which are then passed to some transformer layers. Finally, these are fed into a softmax layer which gives the extraction probability of each sentence. To generate training level pairs, we extract the highest matching sentence with the summary from the source article and treat them as ground truths. This matching is done on the basis of Route 1 and Route 2 scores. Now let's discuss our approach. Step 1 involves a BERTSUM architecture initialized to BERT or SciBERT embeddings. SciBERT is a BERT-based model fine-tuned on scientific documents from biomedical and computer science domain. We then subject this model to an intermediate pre-training corpus. The intermediate pre-training corpus is one among CNN-DM, which is from the news domain, PubMed, which is from the scientific domain, and a mixed dataset. Mixed dataset is composed of documents from a mixture of CNN-DM and PubMed. Then we select top 86,000 articles on the basis of least averaged L2 distance between BERT-based embeddings of CLS tokens between the intermediate pre-training dataset and the fine-tuning dataset. Secondly, we vary the size of the corpus and study the effect on the fine-tuning performance. Finally, we vary the input length of target data in the fine-tuning stage. So now we have reached the experiments and results part of the paper. So we observed for direct fine-tuning using SciBERT embeddings does not offer any significant advantage comparable to using BERT embeddings in all cases. Although there is some increase seen in case of PubMed, it is most likely due to the domain awareness of SciBERT relative to the scientific dataset. For SkyTLDR, though, it doesn't make much of a difference. So again, with intermediate pre-training on PubMed dataset, by replacing BERT with SciBERT, we observe a deterioration in performance indicated by a drop in root score. This is in fact quite contrary to the previous result where just fine-tuning was leading to additional gains in case of SciBERT. So now on to the main result of our paper. With pre-training and using BERT, we observed significant improvements in performance regardless of the pre-training corpora used. This strongly indicates that the model learns the summarization task of the domain in the pre-training stage. Pre-training with mixed dataset gives the best results, quite interestingly, showing that it is beneficial to selectively choose articles in the pre-training corpus that best match the target task. This indicates that the model is not only learning the task, but also the kind of the articles it will be seeing in the target. Now on to the second set of experiments. We observe that the root scores improve with longer input lengths is a sizable boost for site TLDR AIC. This result indicates that the model is able to effectively use the more information given in terms of more tokens and produce better summaries. Also, we observed that the root scores improve when the intermediate pre-training dataset size is increased. However, the performance stagnates with a further increase in size. So, we can draw quite a few conclusions from the experiments. First is intermediate task training benefits domain adaptation. Secondly, additional benefits can be observed by filtering the intermediate training corpus which best matches the target domain or task. Finally, using a scientific domain pre-trained language model does not result in additional gains. In fact, it performs slightly worse on the SkyTLDR dataset with pre-training compared to the general domain pre-trained language model. This leaves room for a plethora of future work, some of which includes exploring different criteria for selection of the domain of the intermediate pre-training dataset, exploring new metrics for filtering the intermediate pre-training dataset, furthermore examining the benefits on both abstractive and extractive summarization. Thank you for your attention.